Hello, this is Sean from Coyne Enterprises. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our recent clients' websites. The Kennels of Stone Creek was the most recent client. They are a dog kennel located in Chardon, Ohio, and their website was about 8 years old. It was built with static HTML, so it looked like something back from the early days of the internet, and they really just wanted a refresh to make it a little more modern, as well as some additional features that they thought would be helpful. So the first thing we did was modernize their website. We used WordPress to make it easily updatable so they can actually make the changes in the future without relying on us. We set up this home page using their logo, some photos they provided, some of their favorite quotes, and also some of these columns with the relevant information. As you click on each image or on the text, it'll take you to the connected page. We have one of their outstanding reviews down here. Lets their visitors see that they are a wonderful place to leave your pet, as well as some of these buttons for Twitter, Facebook, an RSS feed for other websites to pick up their blog articles should they write them in the future. A couple pages we made some changes to. The About Us and the FAQs are pretty standard. It's really just copied and pasted their information for them. But the boarding page, they had a photos page on their old website, and it was kind of messy. It was just a list of photos. So we provided them with some interactive features for their photos. First off, there's a photo grid, little pop-ups of what the image includes. Most of these are pictures of their facility, but the real cool feature that they enjoyed was the slideshow. So they have a lot of pictures of the pets that have came there over the years, and the families that have enjoyed their services have sent in photos. They wanted a place to showcase that without taking up an entire web page, so we set them up as a slideshow. The biggest change for Stone Creek Kennels was their reservations page. Instead of having the customer download and fill out PDF forms, we built them an interactive and dynamic form. So the dynamic part, as you select different options, it actually changes the shape of the form. So the first one, have you visited us before? If you select yes, you can see it's minimal contact information, just the name, email, and phone. If you select no, so if you're a new visitor, then they need some additional information such as your address. They want to know if you've been referred by anybody. And any of the information headings with a star are the information they felt was most important and is required to submit the form. So it won't submit unless all the starred fields are filled out. They also have a unique schedule. They are actually not available for pickup or drop-off of pets on Wednesdays. So they wanted a pop-up to remind customers, both new and old, of that policy, as well as a little pop-up of their hours over the section where you would be filling out the time. The second part that's dynamic is they often get multiple pets. So if you select two, so we're having two dogs, you can see dog number 2 pops up as well as dog number 1. And at the very bottom, they have a CAPTCHA. And this helps eliminate spam. They were getting a lot of spam submissions before, and since this has been implemented, they have not gotten any. And that's about all for their website. It was a pretty quick job. Their budget was quite small, so we tried to stay within their budget, and we wanted to help them be able to make changes on their own in the future so they can change this form. They know how to add pages. We help them learn how to add blog posts should they want that in the future. And we're very happy with how their website came out, as were they. If you'd like to discuss options for your website, you can visit us at coyneenterprises.org or email us at info@coyneenterprises.org or contact us via phone at 440-879-8064.